The PlayStation Portal is a handheld device for streaming PS5 games remotely. Restarting it is a key troubleshooting step for resolving issues like freezing or unresponsiveness. For a quick reboot, press and hold the power button located on the top edge for 10 to 15 seconds until the device shuts down. Wait 5 to 10 seconds, then press the power button again to restart. This clears the cache and resets the system without data loss. If the device is unresponsive, perform a force restart by holding the power button for 20 to 30 seconds. This mimics unplugging the device and is useful for more severe issues like a frozen screen or unresponsive controls. After performing either restart, ensure your PS5 is powered on and properly linked via the PlayStation app for seamless pairing. Restarting resolves many common PlayStation Portal issues, such as app crashes, network disconnections, and thermal throttling, which is overheating. For example, a firmware update in April 2025 resolved random disconnections for many users after a restart. Testers also found that restarting the portal after extended play sessions cleared thermal throttling, restoring performance. While restarting is effective, future trends suggest AI-enhanced streaming to reduce lag and potential integration with PSVR 2 for mixed reality streaming. Keep your device updated with the latest firmware for optimal performance and stability. If issues persist after restarting and updating, consult the PlayStation support website for further troubleshooting or consider contacting customer support.